Hello, I'm Graham from Boat Shed Midi Canals. On board a Freycinet barge, 38 metres 5 long, 505 metres wide. This is what they call a dommage de guerre. This was a boat built for the French after the First War. This one was built in 1922. She's got a much more recent engine, Renault V8, 350 horsepower. Has been used for push-tow work. Just make our way down into the old boatman's cabin, which has now been transformed into an office. Plenty of space for all your dossiers and all the work that you might need to do. Let's just move our way forward again, down these stairs into what was the hold, and look at that. They've kept and polished the original hold boards, floorboards. Absolutely gorgeous. Now off to the starboard we have a kitchen. This was professional kitchen, which has since been taken out and installed on this boat. All electric. Dishwasher. Make our way forward to the dining area. And then we come to a raised central area with that huge super wood stove, and you can see the original hold covers. They've been dropped down about 20 centimetres, insulation put on top, and new aluminium hold covers put on top of that. There's also a clairvoyant. Let's just turn around and get a look at that kitchen dining area. Coming past this super stove and down into the lounge area. Well over 2 metres head height in here. Again, have a look at the whole view with steps up through to the terrace sun deck. Huge open plan. Make our way forward down a corridor on the port side. Firstly, come to the bathroom. Shower, 220 litres electrical immersion hot water. There's another electric instant hot water boiler dedicated to the kitchen. Double cabin. Making our way forward again. Another cabin currently used by a young person. Up 3 steps, we come to the utility room. Storage, workspace, washing machine, drying machine, cupboards. Everything you need for life aboard. Through a watertight door into the last bedroom, which has been transformed to a music room. But you can see it was a bedroom. Look at this amazing ensuite bathroom with its full bath. The front rudder mechanism and anchor chains left as central art pieces here, and then off to port you've got the loo and the wash basin and mirror. Most unusual, beautifully done. Let's have another quick look over the boat I'm Graham of Boatshed Midi Canals. If you'd like any more information on this 38 metre liveaboard barge currently down in the south of France, I'd love to hear from you. You can Skype me, email me, or give me a call. All my contact details are on the site.